Hey there, welcome to Estha. Here's a writing app that I made. I have used it to generate speeches for me to motivate students. Or I can use it to write stories, as I will show you later. The result is a fairly flavorful draft that has a bit of my style in the piece, and I can iterate it further by giving some more pointers and let the app build from there. So, how do I build this? In this video, I will share with you how I created a writing app that uses my own style of writing. In fact, you could build an app that features anyone else's style of writing, provided you get their permission to use their literary works as a reference for the AI to learn and adapt. Remember, if you're using someone else's work as reference knowledge, you must get explicit permission from them to do so. And we can do this in a couple of minutes, without having any programming knowledge or having to write a single line of code. Let me show you how to do it in this tutorial, but before we begin, I encourage you to get ready a collection of literary works that you have written in the past. These could be short stories, blogs, or excerpts from a book you have written. Typically, a 3,000 to as long as a 20,000 worded PDF document will do. Have that file on hand. Now let's dive in. Once you log into Estha, you will see the dashboard that shows all the apps you have created. Click Create App and enter the name of your app. Let's call this app a writing app. Then click Create. You will see the Estha workspace. There are 3 sections here. On the left is where all the action nodes are found. The center is the playground where you will make the app. And on the right is where you can preview your app before publishing it and seek help building it using our AI building coach. You will see a node called App Setup in the playground. This is where it all begins. So the first thing to do is to customize how it appears to users on their first encounter with the app. We could start by describing what this app is about, something like, "This app helps people write better in general settings." We should also enter a greeting message, something like, "Hey there, welcome to my writing app. What would you like me to write for you today?" We also need to choose the suitable LLM, or large language model, for this app. There are 2 choices here: the standard LLM, which costs less, or the advanced LLM, which is more powerful but costs more. Because a writing app's output is more fluid than answering queries against a fixed set of knowledge, I will choose an advanced LLM to do the job for me. Let's make the app appear unique by giving it my own background. Simply click More Settings to reveal more options to upload my own bot icon or background image. With this, we are done customizing our app setup node. Next, we need to add an action node to this design. An action node carries out the actions that make the app perform its functions. In the node library on the left, let's pick the customization node to make this app. The customization node is a general action node that is not designed like the other nodes with specific actions in mind. This lets me define what actions I want the customization node to take when the app gets a query from the user. We begin by dragging the customization node into the playground. A node setup box now appears next to the node. It lets us do 3 things: input or upload my proprietary knowledge to form the base for the AI to work on, set the degree of fidelity, and add my own set of instructions to customize how I intend for the node to play its role. I choose to upload my knowledge as a PDF file by clicking the upload icon, then choose the file to be uploaded. Like this. This is the document that collects some of my best literary works as a knowledge base for the AI. In terms of accuracy level, I will set it at 80%, mostly dependent on my uploaded literary works and the way I write about things, yet giving a bit of leeway for creativity, depending on the task posed by the user. For customization, I want to be detailed in instructing the AI on what to do, how to write for my user, the style, structure, and the persona my app should assume when interacting with the user, and so on. I recommend that you prepare this set of instructions and save it somewhere, then copy and paste it here like what I am doing now. Now, to complete the app building, simply join both nodes by positioning your cursor at the bottom of one node. It will turn into a plus sign, then drag a connector to the top of the other node to join them. Then save your work. In fact, I recommend you save your work as often as you can and not wait till this stage to do so. To preview how your app will look like and perform, click the preview button at the top, then interact with the app on the right. Once I'm satisfied with what I see, I can click Publish to release the app. In this version of Estha, I have two options: to launch the app or to copy the link to send it to someone else. I will also be able to embed this app later on. That's it. I am done making my own writing app that helps my users write according to my style. Easy, right? Haha. I am sure you can think of many other ways to use the customization node, and I can't wait to see what you can build with Estha. Thanks for watching this tutorial.